My two relatives, after a long time, had come from United Arab Emirates to Khuzdar. This time, I decided to arrange a picnic as well as a musical show for them. When we were going to Kurh Ballong Picnic Resort, on the way near Zidi, my friend Abdullah saw the cactus plants with its prickly pear. He insisted to pluck some fruit. I assured him that on return we would visit the plant site. After enjoying our picnic and musical show, when we reached to the same point, he reminded me the cactus plants and its fruit. In my opinion, it was a least important plant. But my friend Abdullah, having seen the cactus fruit in Dubai International Market and knowing its price, he was well aware of its importance. So after taking permission from villagers, we put on plastic bags on hands and started plucking the prickly pear. Being a thorny plant, people keep aloof from it, and they also consider it a common and intimidating plant. So don't eat it. Like villagers, I also used to think it a useless fruit. But when I consulted the net and collected data about it, then I took it a blessing of Allah that our region's climate also suits to it. Though outwardly it is unimportant and horrible, having countless thorns on its flat leaves and fruit, but Almighty Allah has put immense energy in it. In taste, it is sour and having flavor like cucumber, which shows it has immense power of vitamin C. It is said that it is originated from Mexico, South America, and now found almost in the areas of arid and semi-arid zones of the globe. So my area, district Khuzdar, falls in this climate zone, and it is also found here in its seasons like August and September. Cactus fruit is an excellent source of vitamin C, which is one of the best immune booster. Vitamin C increases the white blood cells, which helps to fight body viruses. The betaline and potassium in cactus are good for digestion. Potassium helps body to absorb nutrients, while betalines are anti-inflammatory and help to protect digestive system. As per my research, cactus also contains vitamin A, potassium, calcium, manganese, copper, iron, omega-3s, and it has many other health benefits. Cactus fruit can be eaten raw. If you want to make cactus juice or jam, then pulp the fruit and strain it to get rid of the fruit seeds. Diabetic patients should avoid it. Overeating of this fruit can create stomach problem.